If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install beta system software on iPhone and iPad. Beta versions of iOS and iPadOS have changed the way that can be installed on iPhone and iPad by simply using settings adjustments on the device itself. From iOS 16.4 onward and iPadOS 16.4 or later, turning on beta system software updates for iOS and iPadOS is super easy. Done right through the Settings app. First, open the Settings app on iPhone or iPad. Next, go to General. Now, go to Software Update and tap on Beta Updates. You may choose Public Beta or Developer Beta, depending on which system software beta program you are enrolled in or want to use. Finally, return to the General Software Update screen to find the beta system software update available to download and install for iOS or iPadOS. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.